Hi, today we are going to make an earring design like this one. So in our previous video we made an earring design like this. Today we are going to attempt to make something like this, a word cut out through a bar like shape like this one. So let's start. So we are on our Illustrator file and I'm going to start working on this design. So I will bring up my guides and my 2x2 inch box. So this box is 2 inches into 2 inches, which will help me keep the confines of the design into 2x2 inch area. So to start with the design, first I will just make a box like this and leave it. Maybe change the color. Now I will put it aside and now I'm going to type word love, and for this I'm going to go to type menu and select vertical type tool, and I'm going to write in caps. So now you can see, and I'm using a simple readily available font which is free to use, and I'm going to use the bold version of it, Arial bold, and I'm slightly going to increase the size. Now let's see what is happening, and I'm going to put this box right behind this, and I'm going to align both of them. Align. Now it looks like a little bit like this design, and now we will keep on working on it. I'm going to select both of those, bring them right at the bottom, because here I want to put my jump ring or earring hardware hole. What I'm going to do, I'm going to make it little bit, make this box more confined to the words, so it looks nice and elegant. Now it looks good. Now I'm going to select both of those and align to artboard, and I'm going to align them in the center by using horizontal align center. Now this design is coming along. First of all, what I want to do, I want to punch these letters through this bar before I do anything, and before punching letters I want to just make this I will just hide these letters for now, because I want to show you what I'm going to do with this box. I do not want this box to have sharp corners like that. I want them slightly rounded. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to select these, and here you see there are little handles which if I pull them, they will make this shape rounded all around. Now this shape looks good, and I think it looks better than the with a rectangle with a sharp corner. This looks better. Our rectangle bar is ready, and now what I'm going to do, I'm going to place two things on it. Let's remove this guide so you can see. I'm going to place the word, which I made it visible. Secondly, I'm going to put a jump ring hole right on this. So I'm going to choose 0.11 and 0.11 because I work in inches now, and change the color. So let's see where things are going. Now if I put this jump ring hole here, this bar is little bit, I'm just going to lock my word, and I will just increase the length of the bar just to get this jump ring hole nice, just to give this jump ring hole enough material and space. So unlock it from, and now I'm going to select everything. In fact, I will first manipulate this word. I can go either, I'm going to select word and right click, create outlines. This is one way of doing it. Now it changes into object. Now it can be manipulated, and this you can see these are separate. Or what we can do, we can select this word, go to object, expand, and then unite them. So now this is a object, this is not a font anymore. I can ungroup them and now select everything, and from align I'm going to align everything right in the middle. So everything is now aligned right in the middle to this blue box. So everything is balanced. Now what I'm going to do is punch this word and jumping hole through this bar. So I'm going to simply select everything, go to my Pathfinder. You can find Pathfinder from Windows Pathfinder and use minus front from here. So here you go, click. There you go, this earring is ready. But there is an issue, that it is still a group. You can see this group have two parts. Let me ungroup this group. So you can see here, this is a separate part, and this inner of the O is left out. So I want to make this a part of the design because this will look awful with like this. So now I'm going to and this has a very simple solution. I'm going to select rectangle tool, just draw a rectangle like this, and center again everything in the middle. Here you go. And make everything in same color so we can see. Now this circle is a part of overall design. I'm going to just select everything, and from Pathfinder I'm going to unite. Now you can see in your layer menu that this is one compound path, one object which will cut beautifully in any machine, leather or laser. So this is how I made this design. These earrings which we have created, I have made a presentation and I have uploaded my design to Creative Fabrica for free. So you have to click the link in the description for Creative Fabrica to get these earrings for free. So these earrings are available for free for now from my Creative Fabrica store. So link is in the description. So please join us on Wednesdays, on Saturday, when we post brand new videos about how to make jewelry for die and laser cutting machines. Thank you.